Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Baby Safe Outlet cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any parent or guardian concerned about their child's safety, as curious little hands explore the world around them, including those tempting and potentially dangerous electrical outlets, making it crucial to find a reliable solution that not only deters accidental contact but also ensures peace of mind for everyone in the household. Number 5. Sleek Socket Original Flat Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of bulky, messy cords? Our patented flat outlet concealer kit is the perfect solution. It discreetly hides your entire outlet and cord, enhancing your home's aesthetics while keeping your space tidy. Ideal for kitchens, small spots, and behind furniture. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in seamlessly. It reduces clutter, minimizes hazards, and creates a cleaner, more visually appealing room. No tools required. Simply attach it to your existing outlet like a traditional plug. It's a user-friendly design for quick and easy setup, perfect for simplifying your home without any DIY hassle. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight. The kit includes removable adhesive strips and clips to securely fasten the cord to the wall, offering a simple and cost-effective solution. It works with all standard duplex outlet sizes. This ensures a versatile fit for various setups, making it easy to organize cords and conceal outlets behind furniture or in any room. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also expands your power options. This concealer includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more usable outlets to power your devices. Designed in the USA by a family-owned business, it meets the highest safety requirements with applicable UL certifications. You can trust its quality and safety. What we like? This product offers a unique ultra-thin design that completely conceals your outlets and bulky cords. It's perfect for those who prioritize a clean, minimalist aesthetic in their living spaces. If you're looking to declutter behind furniture or in tight spaces like kitchens, this is an excellent choice for a seamless look. What people say? This thing is really handy. I have a freestanding cabinet that sits flush against the wall, covering an outlet. This cord kit worked like a charm. It sits even flatter to the wall than I was expecting. It just snugs right up against the existing wall plate. The sleek socket is a fantastic solution for concealing outlets in tight spaces like kitchens or behind furniture. The 3-foot cord is perfect for extending power without creating a tangled mess. The universal size fits snugly and securely over my existing outlets. One of the best features is how discreet it is. The sleek socket blends seamlessly with my wall, making it almost invisible and leaving a clean, uncluttered appearance. This is such a simple idea, but the plug plate is sleek and stylish, and the 3-foot extension is just long enough to hide the plugs behind a small appliance. If you have a spot on a countertop with multiple appliances plugged into a wall socket, this device will make a big difference in the look of your counter. Number 4. Wappa Baby Outlet Covers, 50-pack. Keep your little ones safe from electrical hazards. Our outlet covers provide a quick and easy way to prevent accidents and electrocution. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these are designed to be difficult for children to remove. Ensure peace of mind with a secure fit. These are designed to blend in with your home decor. They contribute to a safer living environment without being an eyesore. Installation is a breeze. Just insert the safety caps into unused outlets, and they will securely fit in place. Baby-proof your home, office, or business effortlessly. This pack allows you to child-proof multiple locations with ease. Get more for your money with this 50-pack. Ensure comprehensive safety for your home, office, daycare, or commercial establishment. What we like? This option comes in a large pack, making it ideal for thoroughly baby-proofing an entire home or office. Its design is intentionally difficult for children to remove, offering robust protection. If you need to secure many outlets quickly and easily without compromising your home's appearance, this is the solution for you. What people say? Sit snug. Impossible for a toddler to get out, yet quite manageable for an adult. The fits snugly and don't budge. They're not easy to remove even for adults, so that's perfect. I'm pretty confident that they'll prevent my kiddo from harming themselves. They're very easy to install, just plug it in and you're good to go. Effective and safe, these outlet covers are perfect for keeping my little one safe. They fit snugly into the outlets and prevent curious toddlers from sticking anything into the sockets. It's a simple but essential way to baby-proof the house. Sturdy and durable, the covers are made of sturdy plastic and feel well built. They're not flimsy and seem like they'll last a long time without cracking or breaking easily, even with little hands around. Easy to install. Installing the outlet covers is super simple. You just snap them into place, and they stay securely in the outlet. No tools are required, making it a hassle-free installation process. Number 3. Dreambaby Dual Fit Outlet Cover Box. Keep your curious toddlers safe from electrical hazards. Our innovative outlet covers provide peace of mind for every parent. Designed to fit both standard and Decora-style outlets, these covers offer versatile protection throughout your home. Simple for adults to remove for use, yet difficult for children to access. Ensure your home is child-proofed effectively. A must-have for any new parent or caregiver. These essential plug covers are a key part of creating a safe environment. Invest in the safety of your children. This 2-pack ensures you can cover multiple outlets, providing comprehensive protection. What we like. This cover is designed for versatility, fitting both standard and Decora-style outlets, which is a significant advantage. It provides a secure child-proof barrier for your electrical sockets. If you have a mix of outlet types in your home and need a reliable, easy-to-use solution for baby-proofing, this dual-fit cover is a smart pick. What people say. This helped route the cords upward and prevented him from pulling on them. I like that the box enables the cords to go up or down depending how you install it. Works great for what I need. Just to cover a few problem outlets for when my little grandson visits. It's a very tight fit as I had to snap it over 2 power strip cords plugged in. These are very thick gauge cords, so it was hard to snap the cover shut. They fit my outlets perfectly. The included screws that were longer were perfect to replace the usual ones. Took all of 5 minutes to install, and I think they will work well to stop our baby from playing with the plug-in since we can't cover it. Number 2. Jool Baby Outlet Covers, 32-pack. Introducing Jool Baby Outlet Covers, the ultimate solution for childproofing your home. Keep your little ones safe from electrical hazards with these essential protectors. This value pack includes 32 outlet covers, ensuring you have enough to secure every socket in your home. Provide comprehensive safety for your curious crawling baby. Designed for your convenience, these covers are easy for adults to remove when needed. You can quickly access outlets without hassle, while keeping your child protected. Effectively baby-proof your electrical sockets with these reliable plug protectors. They fit snugly, preventing children from inserting dangerous objects into outlets. Our transparent design seamlessly blends with any home decor. You get peace of mind without compromising the aesthetics of your living space. Prioritize your child's safety with Jool Baby's innovative outlet covers. Ensure a secure environment for your baby to explore and grow. What we like. This product features a transparent design, making it less visually intrusive while still providing essential child safety. It's engineered for easy removal by adults, ensuring convenience for parents. If you prefer a discreet baby-proofing solution that doesn't draw attention and is simple for you to manage, these transparent covers are a great option. What people say. Since it's transparent, it blends in with your plug case color and the wall paint color. So your room look is maintained. The quality of the plug cover is good and it's made well, so the fit in very good. Even after several uses, it is still steady and strong. They are light and nice and clear. Number 1. Mom's Choice Gold Awards Winner Outlet Covers. Introducing our award-winning outlet covers, designed with a clever hidden pull handle. This feature makes them easy for adults to remove, but incredibly difficult for little ones to access. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly ABS material, these covers are built to last. They are wear-resistant and reusable, ensuring your children and pets stay safe from electrical hazards. These are designed to fit all standard 3-prong outlets and power strips seamlessly. Their discreet white design blends in, making them less appealing to curious children. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. Simply press them into the outlet for instant protection. Removal is easy for adults, but a challenge for kids. With 45 covers in each pack, you can ensure safety throughout your home, office, or even on vacation. Keep your little ones protected from power hazards wherever you go. What we like. This pack includes a clever hidden pull handle, making it easy for adults to remove while remaining difficult for children to access. Constructed from high-quality, durable material, these are built to last. If you're looking for a secure, long-lasting, and user-friendly outlet cover with an added convenience for adults, this is a top contender. What people say. The socket cover is of excellent quality, with smooth edges. It plugs in securely without any tools, and the cover seals tightly, preventing any water splashes during daily cleaning. The flame-retardant material feels solid, with no burrs or cheap plastic smell. The rounded edges won't cut your hands, and it fits perfectly, completely eliminating the risk of water seepage. The hidden handle design is thoughtful. It requires a bit of force for adults to remove, and even a high-pressure water gun can't open it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.